Windows has a neat feature where the taskbar icons show you active notifications, but what if they refuse to appear? So if you're having the same problem, make sure to keep watching on this video. So firstly, modify task behavior by opening Settings, click Personalization, click Taskbar, select Taskbar Behaviors, click this checkbox. Additionally, make sure Applications notifications are enabled. All you have to do is open Settings again, go to System, choose Notifications, enable the toggle next to Notifications, scroll down to this section, then ensure that your favorite applications are allowed to display notifications on Windows. Lastly, allow applications to run in the background. All you have to do is open Apps and Features, locate the problematic app, click More Options, choose Advanced Options, and select Always in the Background Applications Permissions. So that's how I can fix the following problem in your notification badges on taskbar icons. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.